Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to go with the process of a prepayment of a HDFC home loan. Now, if any of you have taken a HDFC home loan, there are not much videos online that show you how do you go about making a prepayment. If you go to YouTube and you search for a HDFC prepayment procedure, you'll find one video over here that basically explains the login procedure and also how to basically initiate the request. But in the same video, as he goes forward, he gets an email back from customer service of HDFC saying that it's not possible to do a prepayment online because of a KYC issue and all that. So he basically concludes in the same video saying that you cannot do a home loan prepayment online. But this is not true. I'll be showing you a way how do you go about to do a prepayment with a home loan. So the easiest way is to write an email to HDFC customer support, which is customer support at hdfclimited.com. I'll show you the yes. So all you got to do is to write an email to customer.service@hdfc.com. You need to, in that email, you need to mention of how much prepayment that you want to do. Secondly, that if whether you want to reduce your home loan EMI or you want to reduce your tenure. So you need to mention that keep the subject name as home loan prepayment and a home loan account number. Every home loan is linked to an account number, which you would obviously be aware of. So mention your subject in your email to customer service at hdfc.com with the uh, home loan account number. In that, mention how much is the amount that you wish to prepay and whether you want to reduce your tenure or whether you want to reduce your EMI. On that same email, you need to attach your 3 months bank statement. Basically, download your account statement for the last 3 months till the date that you're going to make your HDFC home loan prepayment. So the moment you tell them that that I want to make a prepayment of so and so amount and everything, in my case I wanted to make a prepayment of 1 lakh rupees towards my home loan. So and I have attached my recent account statement of the last 3 months. And I've also mentioned that I want to reduce my tenure. I'm not looking forward to reduce my EMI. So once you send that email, you will get a new email from HDFC, which you can see in your screen. Uh, it basically says, "Dear, your name. We wish to inform you that to enable for you to pay a prepayment, we have arranged a special online payment option through the below link for rupees 1,187,000. 187 is basically simple interest. It depends how many days from the first of that particular month you're making that payment. In my case, I made it around I think on 10th November, as you can see the date. So I've got this link. The 187 is basically calculating simple interest from 1st to 10th. So you get this do and don'ts. It clearly states that you cannot make this prepayment via Citibank, as you can see, but any other bank account which has been registered with HDFC should be fine. Also, it depends whether you're an NRI or not, because if you are, then you have to go through the NRE, NRO bank accounts only to make this transaction. So as soon as you make this transaction, you click on this link, it will take you to a bill desk where you need to do it via, you can do the prepayment via net banking, which is basically what I did, and it was really seamless and straightforward, and it happened within a few seconds itself. So as soon as you make this prepayment, you will get another email with the transaction reference. Now, as soon as you get this email or transaction reference, please take a screenshot. And once you do take the screenshot, I'll show you how this transaction confirmation email looks like. So this is it. After I got the link in this previous screenshot, as you can see, to make payment here, you click on this, you do the online payment, which I did of this amount that you can see mentioned. Once your payment is done, you get this following screenshot. So you don't need to visit the branch. You don't really need a computer nearby. You can just do this entire process on your mobile itself. And it's the same way how I did it. On my mobile, I didn't visit any branch. I didn't log into any computer or anything like that. So once you've done your prepayment, you will get this acknowledgement email, which is basically thank you, your payment has been successful, which mentions your file or loan account number, your name, and your transaction reference number, and the amount that you paid, date and time. So what you need to do is then take a screenshot of this, then go back to the original email where you've written to customer service and they have before sending you the link, and you need to attach this screenshot to them and let them know that you made this payment and it's done. So basically, even if you don't do it, it's fine. But since this is the first time, my first prepayment, so I had spoken to them and they told me to it's better to attach this screenshot along with that email. So you can see that once you send this, I mean, once you've made the payment, it can take up to 4 working days, from the date of transaction for this to reflect in your online account, basically your home loan account. So it's really easy, and if you got any issues like this, you can just email the same email ID that you can see here, which is customer.service@hdfc.com, and they will help you out. Once you've done it, after 4 days, this will show up in your account statement, that I mean your loan account statement, that you made this prepayment of a so and so amount in this case, which is 1,187,000. Thank you. If you have any doubts, just hit me up on the comment section and I'll be happy to clear it out. Goodbye. Take care.